Hey guys, today I wanted to make a review on these muffin panels that I just received. So these were super nice because they are super sturdy, they have a non-stick coating, and also the cup size is just practical. It was a perfect amount for our muffins. Now we are just prepping to bake our muffins by putting in the muffin panels, and now they are ready. Here are the finished muffins, and they came out just the way we were planning on making them. These were the trays after being used. You can see that they are like dirty around, so we just wanted to show you how easy they are to clean. Here my mom is just taking a sponge and some dishwash soap. Also, you can put these in the dishwasher, but since they were so easy to clean, we just decided to do it by hand. If you're looking for a tray that's super easy to clean and keep maintenance of to bake, then I would definitely go ahead and give this one a shot.